Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix phone won't turn on error in Samsung Galaxy A17, A37 or A57. If you're using Galaxy A17, A37 or A57 and you're facing the issue that your phone is not turning on, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So if your phone is not turning on, you might got stuck on a black screen. So let me go to the black screen first. Here I'm gonna power off my phone. But let's say I'm gonna restarting my phone. So what you have to do if your phone has completely black screen, you feel that your phone is turning on, but it won't turn on. In that like your screen blinks, but you see the black screen, not a Samsung logo or nothing else, and then that screen won't completely black out, it won't completely powered off or any this condition. So you can try the same thing I am going to do. You just have to make a forced restart with your phone. So I'm gonna restart my phone here. Now to make a forced restart, you have to press and hold your volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds there. Now let's wait when I go to Samsung logo here, then I'll forcefully restart it. So if your phone haven't not charging, so you can also try the same thing on charger when your phone is on charging. So you can try to insert your charger in your phone, and then you can retry to making a forced restart. I'm gonna forcefully restart my phone. Just press and hold your volume down and the power button for almost 15 seconds here. Your phone will be completely shut down, either it's on or turn on power on or off loop, or whether it's on your home screen, your phone will be completely shut down and it will be restarted or return on. You just have to wait for this until it's completely restarted, and after this you can easily use your phone without an issue like that. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.